Hello guys and welcome back to Fuego News Central. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are having a great day so far, because in today's video, we're going to be talking about why Amber Heard may get sued again after what she did after court. But before we begin with today's topic, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming uploads. But without any more interruptions, let's just go ahead and dive straight into it. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp might return to the witness stand. Following Amber's most recent interview, in which she talked about Johnny, a story suggested that the former couple would file a third lawsuit. In her first interview since her defamation trial against her ex-husband Johnny Depp, Amber Heard stated that she backed up every assertion she made in her testimony. The actor was questioned about Johnny's testimony in court, in which he claimed he never hit her, in an interview footage that was made public on Monday. Described as a falsehood by Amber, according to a recent story, Johnny might once more sue Amber as a result of her allegations. In their cases against one another, a jury determined that both Johnny and Amber were guilty of defamation. The jury determined that Amber slandered Johnny in a 2018 Washington Post opinion piece, and as a result, it awarded Johnny much greater damages in its June 1st judgment. Amber received $2 million in compensation damages, while the jury gave them $10 million in compensatory damages and around $5 million in punitive damages. Many believe that Johnny had won and that his position had been validated. Amber Heard asserts that she always told the truth and that she stands by the testimony she provided during a stormy 6-week libel trial against her ex-husband Johnny Depp. Heard said in her first post-verdict interview, 2 weeks after a jury awarded Depp more than $10 million and vindicated his allegations that Heard lied about Depp abusing her. "That's all I spoke, and I spoke it to power, and I paid the price." Depp filed a libel lawsuit against Heard in Virginia due to an opinion piece she published for the Washington Post in December 2018, referring to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Even though his identity was never mentioned in the piece, according to his attorneys, he was defamed by it. Heard was also given $2 million for her claim that one of Depp's lawyers had slandered her, even though the jury found in Depp's favor. Heard has stated that she will contest the judgment. Heard told NBC's Today co-host Savannah Guthrie, "To my dying day, I'll stand by every word of my testimony." She then said, "I made a lot of mistakes, but I've always told the truth." On the other hand, civil rights trial lawyer John Schiffer during an appearance Tuesday night on News Nation's Banfield, "From my perspective, Depp now holds even more power." He then added, "She can be subject to a resuit. It would be up to him to decide to bring it and dedicate those assets. It really seems like an odd choice to go out, as much as I understand she believes her testimony. That's her truth, and I applaud everybody for standing up to what they think is the truth. Lots of people are disappointed in our justice system. Remember, in every case, somebody wins and somebody loses." Heard also told Today's co-host in an interview clip, "I don't blame them." She then said, "I actually understand. He's a beloved character and people feel they know him. He's a fantastic actor." The interview is airing nearly 2 weeks after the verdict, which also saw Heard awarded $2 million over her claim that one of Depp's attorneys defamed her. Guthrie pressed Heard on her credibility and what it meant to jurors in the clip, saying, "There's no polite way to say it. The jury looked at the evidence you presented. They listened to your testimony and they did not believe you." She then said, "They thought you were lying." Heard responded, "How could they not come to that conclusion? They sat in those seats and heard over 3 weeks of non-stop relentless testimony from paid employees." Depp, who has not yet done a formal interview about the case, has said the verdict gave me my life back. Heard expressed her sadness in a statement following the verdict, while her attorney stated in a separate Today interview that her client had been demonized on social media and that she intends to appeal the decision. Heard said, "I don't care what one thinks about me or what judgments you want to make about what happened in the privacy of my own home, in my marriage, behind closed doors. I don't presume the average person should know those things, and so I don't take it personally." She then added, "You still couldn't look me in the eye and tell me that you think on social media there's been a fair representation. You cannot tell me that you think that this has been fair." But that's all the time we have for you guys today though, so thank you all for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, then be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't already for more awesome content like this and much more. We'll see you guys next time, but until then, take care and goodbye.